Did you know that just like your skin, your hair can suffer from sun damage too? UV rays can weaken your hair cuticle and compromise keratin, the essential protein that keep your hair strong and soft. Today, we are going to talk about sun damage to your hair and going to make sun protective hydrating hair mask to protect your hair. So let's get started. While any kind of hair is prone to sun damage, your hair can be particularly vulnerable to sun damage if it's fine or light colored. Fine, lighter hair lacks the thickness or pigment that can protect it from sun's rays, while darker hair usually is oilier and thickness, darker color, that's oil covering, help to protect it from sun. And furthermore, hair is also more fragile and more prone to sun damage if your hair is thin, flat or tightly coiled hair. Understanding the signs and symptoms of sun damage is the first step toward restoring it to health. One of the initial signs of hair damage by the sun is the increase in frizziness and tendency for the hair to break more easily. Sun damage can bring about substantial transformations in your hair. The hair strands may be weaker and rough and brittle. Presence of split ends and dryness that was previously absent. On a visual level, your hair may be lost its radiance hue, appearing dull and lack of its customary shine. Another telltale sign of sun-induced hair damage is the decrease in the time it takes for hair to dry post-wash. This change might indicate that your hair has become highly porous. In this state, when your hair strands contain numerous tiny pores in the outer layer of the cuticle. Hair with high porosity can absorb and release moisture rapidly, make it more susceptible to harsh effect of the sun. Okay, let's see how you can protect your hair from sun damage. First step, apply UV protection. Product specially designed to shield hair from UV rays like sunscreens, especially for hair, can offer other benefits as well. Volume enhancement, shine and frizzy control also. Lay off the heat. Too much heat from sun and using hair tools can make your hair more prone to damage. So try air drying your hair, at least partially more often. Avoid heating. Embrace your natural hair texture. Harsh chemicals using for hairstyles and hair treatments can further damage your hair. Use heat protective styles like braidings and buns. Third one, minimize the exposure to direct sunlight. Reduce the time your hair spends under the direct layer of the sun. Wear a wide-brimmed hat. Use an umbrella when you are in your poolsides or at the beach. Number 4, washing your hair too frequent and swimming in chlorinated water can also accelerate sun damage. Choose shampoos and conditioners suitable for your hair type. Beware of sulfate and parabens. They are more common in many hair care products which strip off your natural hair and leads for sun damage. So let's start our sun protective hydrating hair mask. The first ingredient we are using is mint leaves. Mint leaves have a cooling effect. They are refreshing and can alleviate stress and anxiety too. The special property today for us is that it can protect your hair from UV radiation. We take a handful of mint leaves. Then we add 1 tablespoonful of fenugreek seed. Soak them before you use for 3 hours. Then we add some fresh aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel makes your paste more moisture and cooling and soothing effect. Then we add 1 tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar. It could strengthen your hair and improve luster by lowering the pH level of your scalp and your hair. And finally, we add 1 tablespoonful of extra virgin coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil is the most suitable oil for damaged hair. It will repair the cuticles and will help you to repair the frizziness and give the shiny, nourishing look back. With the help of a blender, blend this mixture well and apply this hair mask before you shampoo your hair. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with mild shampoo. The sun protective hydrating hair mask we made today is made out of all natural ingredients, so it will restore your natural beauty. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos, Ayurveda, yoga and beauty. Thank you for watching.